What is up, sailors? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I thought that I should start my vlog straight in the gym, but you know, we plan to do a little bit of what do you call it, compound trainings and everything, but I don't think so we'll be able to do it because the weather is pretty rough, as you can see, and it's not at all safe to do the bench press because it's rolling heavily and I will not be able to maintain my, you know, I won't be able to do all the sets being stable. प्लान किया था कि लाइक यू नो आई विल डू द बेंच प्रेस एंड एवरीथिंग, बट वेदर इतना ज़्यादा रफ एंड रोलिंग इतनी ज़्यादा हो रही है, लाइक आई एम नॉट इवन एबल टू स्टैंड स्ट्रेट, तो प्लान में थोड़ा चेंज करना पड़ेगा. एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट वी विल बी हिटिंग द आइसोलेशंस ऑन द फिक्स मशीन, and also I will do some sort of my kind of HIIT trainings because it's Saturday and it's like I don't want to hit a particular body part today, but gym continue karna hai bro, so gonna have to do it. Also, like, it's almost been 4 months since I took the challenge of, you know, the body transformation, and I think आज हम हमारा आई नो मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि मैं सीधा 6 months बाद आई विल लाइक डू द रिमूवल ऑफ माई टी शर्ट एंड एवरीथिंग, के लाइक मैं अपनी फिजिक दिखाऊंगा 6 महीने बाद, बट आई एम रनिंग आउट ऑफ पेशेंस एंड आई वांट टू सी एन अपडेट एंड आई वांट यू गाइस टू सी एन अपडेट के लाइक कुछ बॉडी में चेंजेस आए हैं या नहीं, या फिर मैं बस ऐसे ही लगे पड़ा हूँ विदाउट एनी चेंजेस. सो यू गाइस सी एंड टेल मी इफ देयर इज एनी चेंज यू सी इन माई फिजिक. So start करते हैं. I so badly wanted to do the bench press today, but rolling इतनी ज़्यादा है शिप की कि it's not safe. I mean ज़रा सा misbalance हुआ and then the weight can straight fall on my face. So कोई बात नहीं, हम करेंगे इन machines पे. I don't know. See, I'll show you what's the condition right now. See. The rod is moving by itself, and in this condition it's not at all safe. Yeah, my gym is haunted. And also the reason why I'm doing my workout early today is because in the evening we have a table tennis competition in the ECR my workshop mein there's a TT tournament and people are literally excited about, although I didn't take part in it because मुझे वीडियो बनानी है and yeah, तो मैंने वीडियो का ठेका लिया है. बाकी सब all the teams will play and then let's see who wins. So I guess we're just gonna start with our workout. Let me just set up my camera. Just want to show you the weights. Just look how it's rolling. Told you my gym is haunted. I didn't came from the deck, so I'm not warmed up. Usually I stay warmed up, so I don't do any warm-ups. But today I have to do it. So let's just warm up a bit. So first set, I'm gonna go for heavy. first set wasn't quite as heavy as I expected it to be, so I'm just gonna increase the weight. शिप पे जिम करने की यही डिफ़िकल्टीज आती है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम द वेदर स्टेज रफ व्हाइल यू आर आउट इन द सी, तो पूरी शिप हिलती रहती है एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू वर्क आउट प्रॉपरली एंड यू कैन नॉट गो लाइक जो आपकी वेट लिमिट है, जो जितना आप लिफ्ट कर सकते हो, आपको हमेशा उससे लाइट ही लिफ्ट करना होता है यहाँ पे, बिकॉज हो सकता है वेदर थोड़ा सा यू नेवर नो कब शिप रोल कर जाए एंड while you're lifting weight, while you're in between the set, आप मिसबैलेंस हो सकते हो, गिर सकते हो, इंजरी हो सकती है, which is again one big of a deal because उसके बाद आप काम भी नहीं कर पाओगे, then you have to go back home, इंजरी रिपोर्ट्स बन जाएगी and this is a long process. So it's better to play safe. वाले से थोड़ा कम वेट उठाओ, increase your reps, not an issue. So let's go for the second set. Almost full stack. This is what happens. The ship is not well steady right now. I mean, if the gyro is working in this camera, you might be seeing how the ship is rolling. You'll actually feel it. This is one hell of a task. Maybe my decision was wrong to come to the gym today. But the weather is gonna stay like this for quite a few days and इतने दिन तक gym skip नहीं कर सकते हम. As you know, I don't have anything much to do over here, so gym is the only place. It's like literally my mental peace right now. This is the only time which I remove it for myself, and this time I, come to the gym. I feel मतलब बहुत पीसफुल लगता है मुझे यहाँ पे, एंड स्पेशली जब आप ऑड टाइमिंग्स पे आते हो, यू फाइंड द जिम एम्प्टी. लाइक इवनिंग में अगर आप आओ तो जिम इज़ लाइक इट्स लिटरली सच अ स्मॉल जिम. इसमें 6 से 7 लोग, ऑल ऑफ देम आर जस्ट डूइंग जिम टुगेदर, ज़रा भी स्पेस नहीं होती है. सो वी गो फॉर द लास्ट सेट. So enough of the chest. I'm only gonna do one variation of chest, back, shoulders, I guess. So that's it, because मुझे थोड़ा HIIT भी करना है. I don't know whether I'll do it or not. ये weather में literally मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है. let's set it up for the back. I'm gonna do a few more sets of this and then we'll switch. Yeah, we cannot continue our workout. The weather is getting really rough. The ship is not being steady at all. And I don't want to risk an injury because बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है यहाँ पे. And besides, my priority is earning money. Gym and everything is my second priority because भाई पैसा कमाना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. So I cannot afford an injury. By the way, your boy is on diet. You see that? Sparkling water. Yeah. So I know we cannot work out, but एक चीज़ तो कर ही सकता है. I can give you an update about my physique. So I'm just gonna go shirtless, and then you decide whether you see any difference or not. Because I feel like I've lost quite a good amount of fat, but it's obviously not where we want to reach. But still pretty good, and we still have 2 more months. तो देखते हैं एंड तक कहाँ पहुँचते हैं. So let's just check the physique. Oh yeah, this is the current physique right now. Now if you go back and compare it with the last time I showed, I guess there's a big difference. Abs are not that good, but still I guess थोड़ा बहुत visible होना start हो गया, which means it's a good thing that we are losing fat from abdomen area. I know Habibi, it's not that quite visible, and if you notice that I still have good amount of fat, but we'll get to it. I mean, everything takes time. Oh yeah, I can see the change. So this is an update, and अब फिर करेंगे हम 2 महीने बाद. Let's see किस तरीके का चेंज आता है. And we are literally on a very insane diet. Like, I will not say that I was doing pretty good with the sugar cut down, because I was still consuming it. In between I started consuming a lot, but then again I cut it down, and now also I do consume it, but I take only like 1 gram or something just in my tea or coffee once a day, and after that I totally stay on espressos and like no cold drinks or nothing. So that was an update about my physique. And yeah, the reason why I'm also not lifting heavy is because we are on an extreme deficit. Like I am literally eating just once a day, and with that much amount of energy I will anyways not be able to lift quite heavy, because then I will be exhausted pretty fast, and there are chances that I might get unconscious because of the heavy weight, and I don't want that. So what I'm doing is I have reduced my weightlifting. It's like I'm lifting way less than my whole capacity, but we are doing higher amounts of reps, which is also good enough because we need more definition in our body. And yeah, don't forget, we are training for the aesthetics. I don't want to show off that I'm able to deadlift 180 or 150 kgs. Still, in that also I'm pretty good. It's like I can lift around, I can do 130 kgs of deadlift, which is decent. I only did very little workout today and still I'm exhausted. As you can see, I'm sweating right now. But still, I mean, even though the weather was rough, but we still came to the gym because, doing something is better than doing nothing. Just sitting in the cabin feeling lousy. Gym is better, bro. Gym is a better option.